Greetings, future Raptor! Prior to enrolling into Montgomery College for the upcoming term, it is imperative that students take part in both an academic and new student orientation with the overall goal of getting acquainted with the college. These sessions are offered to students who have already taken the Accuplacer Placement Exam, or SAT, ACT, TOEFL, EIFL, or ESL test. To access the orientations, you will need to log into your MyMC account. Then click on the Counseling and Advising Network. First, students need to complete the First Year Experience New Student Orientation, or NSO. The NSO is designed to help students acclimate to the college environment and have a successful start at Montgomery College. Click New Student Orientation to start the NSO. It will take less than an hour to complete, and you will need to be in a place where you can listen and interact with the presentation. The next step is to complete the Advising Questionnaire. Click Advising Questionnaire to complete the 12-question survey. This information is used during your counseling and advising appointment, so the counselor will know more about your educational goals. Your next step is to begin your mandatory academic orientation. Please note that the Montgomery Advising Program, also known as MAP, IMAP, or EMAP, needs to be scheduled prior to your meeting with a counselor. EMAP is the online academic orientation. You can find it at montgomerycollege.edu/academic_orientation. IMAP sessions are for students who complete the Accuplacer ESL test. The Assessment Center will give students instructions on how to sign up for an IMAP in-person session at the end of the test. Click Academic Orientation to complete the 45-minute session. At the end, the certificate of completion will need to be presented to a counselor during your appointment. Once you've completed the NSO, the Advising Questionnaire, and the academic orientation, you can then schedule an appointment with a counselor through Starfish. Please note, students must submit SAT, ACT, and/or Accuplacer results, or completion of a degree from an accredited U.S. college or university, or credit for specific advanced placement, international baccalaureate, or CLEP before seeing a counselor. Click to schedule an appointment with a counselor through Starfish. Click on Services, and then select the campus in which you would prefer to meet with a counselor. Under each campus, there is a Schedule Appointment link. By clicking this link, it will launch you into a calendar for you to choose times and dates to meet with a counselor. Choose from the dates that are in bold. Once you select a day, available slots will become visible. To choose and confirm a time, you must click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to confirm your appointment. Plan on arriving 15 minutes before your scheduled appointment. If you have any questions or need assistance, contact montgomerycollege.edu/counseling. Thank you for watching.